Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do dot art paint on notebook. I will take a white acrylic paint to cover the notebook. But before that, let's cover the sides that we don't want to paint them. Use a brush and start painting the notebook. The first layer is always a thin layer, but by the time we will do the second coat, we will have an almost perfect job done. Give yourself time, let the first coat dry before putting the second coat. It usually takes 1 hour for the first coat to dry. I started to make a circle around the first dot that I made, and then I put more and more dots around it. You can use different colors. I use a pen top to make the dots as it made it easier for me. And then I added more and more dots in a circle shape, but you can make it in different shapes as you want it. You can make it almond shape, a diamond shape, or you can just do it like circles like I did. For the tiny dots, I used the brush top, but after that I realized that using a marker is much easier. Using the same method, I made dots on the other notebook as well. It gets really messy, so be prepared as you will be working with so much paint on a tiny surface. Use a marker for smaller dots. It gives the art piece more details. You can use an embossing stylo to do this art. I had this small size, so I couldn't do the whole project with it, but it gives you perfect dots. To make beautiful artistic pen, you will need flowers. Just take the tip of the pen off and with the help of hot glue gun, attach the flowers to the pen. Simple and easy. I hope you like this project. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment below. Thank you for watching.